Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how cherry pie filling is made, from fresh cherries to smooth, delicious filling.
Through careful balance and controlled heat, we achieve the perfect consistency. Every batch is refined and tested for perfect flavor.
Every container is inspected before leaving the factory.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and food process documentaries.
And that's how cherry pie filling is made, from fresh cherries to ready-to-use perfection.